Greetings and Happy New Year. Welcome to our REDSHORT webinar for this Wednesday, January 4th, 2023. My name is J.D. Thomason. I'm an analyst with Red Sky Alliance, and today I will be walking you through a short discussion on the newly discovered RisePro malware and its associated distribution platform, PrivateLoader. As always, you can find information on related topics at redskyalliance.org. So here is the agenda for today. I will begin by introducing the newly discovered RisePro malware. It is an information stealing focused malware, so we can expect a number of similarities to other malware of the same type. Next, I will move on to discussing one of the more interesting aspects of this malware, which is that it is distributed by way of the pay per install method, or PPI. From there, I will discuss the PrivateLoader service, which is a popular service for threat actors that are seeking to distribute malware via PPI. Let's get started. So RisePro is an information stealing malware that was first discovered in mid-December 2022. The earliest log recording from this malware, as of the time of this webinar, was December 12th, 2022. These logs were found posted to Russian Market, which is a log shop that is similar to other markets like Genesis. There appeared to be multiple thousands of logs that were posted. RisePro appears to be written in C++. It also acts similarly to the Vidar malware. According to a Joe Sandbox analysis, RisePro exhibits similar behaviors to other information stealing malware, Vidar in particular. RisePro utilizes many of the same DLL dependencies that are used by Vidar, which in itself was a fork of an information stealing malware known as Archive. RisePro hunts down cookies, saved passwords, saved credit card information, crypto wallets, and other software credentials, in addition to taking screenshots of infected machines. More specifically, it can search browsers like Chrome and Firefox, a wide variety of wallet type browser extensions, desktop applications like Discord and Battle.net, and it can even scan the file system for data patterns like those matching credit card receipts. In terms of distribution, it has been confirmed by both Flashpoint and Sequoia that RisePro is being distributed in the form of software cracks and key generators. So pay-per-install malware services, or PPI, are a way for cybercriminals to monetize the installation of malware. In other words, if a cybercriminal has the capability for building a network of infected machines, then they also have the ability to sell access to those machines. One might purchase access to infected machines for a variety of purposes, such as performing DDoS attacks, cryptocurrency mining, or information stealing. As we have discussed in previous reports, smaller malware authors may not have the resources or the bandwidth to distribute malicious software in large scale. So PPI is an option for them to rely on a network of affiliates and endeavor to have their software installed on the network's victims' machines. A PPI network will generally monitor the number of machines they have on their network, along with the machine specifications. This will be achieved through the use of a loader during the infection process, which is a module that allows for both tracking and additional payloads to be installed on the machine. The PrivateLoader service comes up often when discussing PPI services. In addition to suspiciously overlapping feature set with RisePro, it has also been connected to a number of other malware in the past, like Vidar Stealer, Redline Stealer, Amaday, Danabot, NetDuca, among many others. So PrivateLoader is a PPI loader that is written in C++. Its primary functions include downloading and deploying additional malware payloads onto already infected machines. PrivateLoader operates as three modules. The first module is a primary module for loading the core module, and then the core module is for contacting command and control, and the third module is more of a service module for maintaining persistence. Interestingly, An analysis of PrivateLoader has revealed a number of feature overlaps with RisePro, such as string scrambling, HTTP port setup, and HTTP message obfuscation. In general, the core module of PrivateLoader employs a number of techniques, such as stack string obfuscation, host fingerprinting, payload downloading over HTTPS, along with anti-analysis and defense impairment techniques. A variety of malware has been seen to be delivered by PrivateLoader, such as SmokeLoader, Redline, Vidar, Raccoon, and GCleaner. Additionally, PrivateLoader may have been in use since at least May of 2021. Again, as we have discussed in previous reports, PrivateLoader is primarily distributed through a network of bait websites that are SEO optimized, targeting users that are looking for pirated software, cracks, or keyloaders. These bait sites entice users and attempt to have them download the PrivateLoader payload as a zip file. It also offers robust administrative features to its customers, such as adding users, modifying geolocation targeting, and load file encryption options. So let us wrap this up. Today, we discussed a little bit about the RisePro information stealing malware. It was recently discovered in mid-December 2022 via a collection of logs posted to Russian markets. It is written in C++, acts similarly to previously known Vidar information stealer, and exhibits behaviors one should expect of an information stealer, such as hunting down saved passwords and credit card information. We also described a little bit about what pay per install, or PPI, means in the context of malware. A PPI service involves maintaining a large group of infected machines such that install services can be offered to a threat actor client seeking to have their malicious software installed on a large number of machines. Lastly, we discussed how PrivateLoader comes up often when discussing PPI services. PrivateLoader is a PPI loader written in C++, and it is used for deploying malicious payloads on infected Windows machines. It is associated with many malware operations, and it has seemingly been in use since May of 2021. And that is all for today. Thank you for joining us. I hope you enjoyed the material and found it useful. If you have any further questions on the subject, you can contact us via Jim McKee at jmckee@wapaclabs.com. As always, you can find information on related topics at redskyalliance.org. Have a nice day, and we'll hope to see you again next week.